here with Lanier at the Workspace booth, and she's going to tell us about how Workspace is using AI to better productivity and creativity.
Hello, I'm Lanier. I work for the Workspace Launch Programs team, and I'm going to walk you all through a demo of how you can use Duet AI to supercharge your productivity. The way this demo is going to go is we're going to follow Quinn. Quinn is a marketing manager at a company called Symbol, and we're going to see how she uses these features to go throughout her day and do her responsibilities. So the first part of this demo is with Gmail. I'm sure we've all woken up to a bunch of emails. We really don't have time to read through all of them. Now using Duet AI, you can get a summary of all of those emails. So these 25 unread emails, Quinn is able to ask Duet AI, please summarize the information. She gets this summary right here. And in the summary, she learns that a product that she's getting to market in South America, the launch date is getting pushed up. So now that she knows this, there's action items that she has to take. And she is going to ask Duet AI to reply to the email. And in the email response, she's able to ask Duet AI to distribute key action items for herself and for her teammates. So she gets the email, she's ready to send it, and she inserts it into her Gmail. So right there, now she has this amazing email that she sent to her team, and something that would have taken Quinn hours, reading through all those emails, responding, now she's able to do in a few minutes with Duet AI. All right, so now she's going to use Duet AI in Google Slides, and this is all about helping her do something when she doesn't have a lot of time. As we learned from the beginning, she's under a time crunch. The product is getting put to market a lot faster, so she needs to build a deck, but rather than starting from scratch, she's able to use existing content to help build a new Google slide. So right here, she's asking Duet AI to generate a slide based off of a sales training plan document. So Duet AI uses the content from that document and builds her a slide. All right, so she sees the image that Duet AI chose for her, and on second thought, she kind of wants something that's a little bit more specific to the South American market. So she's able to ask Duet AI to create an image of a coffee farm with a Brazilian flag flowing. Very specific, very original, and Duet AI is able to create 4 different options for her. And now she decides this is the one I want to use, and she inserts it directly into her Google slide. So next, Quinn is going to go into her sales meeting. She's going to be meeting with the South American team, and she wants to make a good impression for them. So she is going to use Duet AI to generate a custom background for the meeting. All right, so she's going to describe the image she wants. She wants a coffee shop with a painting of a golden trumpet tree. Very specific, again, and Duet AI is able to generate really great options for her. So after she picks the style, she says create, and in under 20 seconds, Duet AI is able to generate some options for her. And now she picks this one, this is her favorite, so you can see it's her background for the meeting. She's ready to join. So I'm sure we've all been on really long meetings, and there's a lot of things being said. People are throwing out action items, but maybe no one is taking notes. So now you are able to have a meeting summary of everything that was discussed during that meeting. There's going to be action items in the notes, and this is going to be really useful if you need to send this out to someone maybe who missed the meeting, or they need a recap of what was discussed in the meeting. And that's all going to be generated for you in this Google Doc. And one of the action items from the meeting was for Quinn herself to create an FAQ. So she's able to ask Duet AI to create the FAQ for her, and she inserts it directly into her Google Doc. And finally, as the marketing manager, Gwen is responsible for putting together a blog post. And she needs to pull it together quickly. She doesn't have a lot of time. And so she is going to use some previous content that she's written from a US market blog post, but ask Duet AI to tailor it for the South American market. So she's able to say, write a blog post based on this US blog content for the South American audience, and she wants it to have customer references so she can put local quotes in this new blog post. And she asked Duet AI to do that, and within a few seconds, it's able to generate this post for her. And she needs to take it a step further. She has to create a marketing campaign. So now she's gonna ask Duet AI to create headlines for ads. And she needs 5 headlines with under 30 characters. And it's gonna generate these ads based on the blog content. So just like that, in under 20 seconds, she has these 5 amazing headlines. So she was able to make those marketing assets really quickly, and this is just a snapshot of the things that you can use with Duet AI.
Thank you so much for sharing all of this with us. Is there anything else, any hidden gems, any special things that you think are interesting to share?
I would say the best part is that customers can try this out now for free with a free trial. If you go to Google and you type in Workspace Duet AI free trial, you can try all of these amazing features out today.
Amazing. We'll probably put those links in the description, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much, Lanier, and have a great time at the rest of the conference.
Thanks.